More than a couple of years.
Oh yeah. Oh man, just almost got the camera safe. Check out. Man, yeah.
That dragon is tight, dude.
Oh yeah. That. He's a nice one.
Oh, he's gone again.
I think they like that bait.
I believe they might like it. Oh.
Wow. Here we are, Muskie on Muskie Alley again. Same trip, different day.
Different bait and different position.
Oh yeah. Oh. He's a fighter. Oh yeah. That is nice. Yeah, be careful. Oh, you got him, Rod, or what? You got him? Oh, yeah.
He's rowdy, ain't he?
Oh, man. There it is again. Again. Same bait. Fucking ain't about 10 minutes later. 15. Alright, what do you think of that bait, Brian? Easy. Oh my.
He was green when I hit him, but he's not ready.
Good dad. I think that's the same fish, Brian.
You think? I was gonna say, I doubt it. Not after that fight. It's a mean fish.
Man.
He's killed too now.
He ain't gonna like it. Nice fish, nice fish. Woo! Alright, I mean, see if we can catch off this bait today. Better make sure your tie's on good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Easy.
She come in too quick, I knew that. I knew she wasn't done. Oh, I don't want to mess your gill up. I can get you on here and get you out of here. It's mine, by the way. It's on your bucket.
I didn't see that.
You're like, whatever, man.
There you go. You got him? Right-o.
The teeth on that thing.
Yeah.